piece of shrapnel below my eye here. There's a spot. Okay, it's a shell fragment. This is resting on the infraorbital nerve. But I have no feeling on the surface of my eyeball. So if I get something stuck in my eye, I don't even feel it.
Right.
Almost all the hearing in my right ear is gone. And I have tinnitus. Okay. Then I have a hole in my back. It's about, right now it's probably, it goes in about 2 inches. And what I did was, I was a passenger on a Huey. And it got shot, but the hydraulics failed and it was auto-rotating, coming, you know how they do this.
Yeah.
And I'm just a passenger in there, and I'm looking, I'm going, I'm not going to take this, you know. So it auto-rotated, and I saw this muddy kind of area, you know, not a rice paddy, just a thing. I thought, I'm out of here. So I jumped out.
How high were you up?
40 feet. And I landed in the mud and did an airborne roll. See, when you parachute, you hurtle like that when you land. And I rolled, but I hit a tree root, and I had a flak jacket on. And the dang thing went right through it, right through my clothes, and right into my back. And I slammed my head against the tree, knocked myself out, which was at the edge of this thing. So I woke up, and